this one. We want to thank our game sponsor, Arrowwood Resort and Conference Center. We'll be throwing out their Frisbees with the Big Splash Water Park prizes in them. They'll be going on the Zamboni, the mini Zamboni. But first, we got a couple former Blizzard players ready to play some American Gladiator. We got Connor Bussey on the far side and Wyatt Blahoski. They're in the Knockerballs. They're going to charge full speed at each other and collide at center. Whoever tosses the other one furthest wins. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Come on. Oh! Oh my! Thank God they're hockey players. Wyatt Blahoski, the winner. And let's hear it for Connor Bussey too.